Well, everyone, you might be trying to figure out how to go ahead and fix your iOS system data if it's too large. Now, the thing that goes on here is sometimes within your iPhone storage, sometimes if you scroll all the way to the bottom, your system data or your system storage can be a very, very large amount. Now, at this time, what's going to happen is that your best bet, number one, is to understand that your system data handles all your cache files, logs, and a bunch of other resources, different things like that, that you might be running into. So that might be one of the first things I'd recommend trying to understand. Now, you can also try going through and try seeing if you have any betas or software updates installed on your device. So in your iPhone storage panel inside of your general settings, you can try going through and try tapping into your second tier top option right here, and you want to go ahead and click on delete update. So go through, tap on the delete update button, which is right over here, and then I would recommend just deleting these updates. That right there is going to be one of the biggest things I'd recommend kind of doing, because that's probably going to end up fixing the problem. Now, if that doesn't end up doing it, another thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about is to go through and try doing simple things like clearing out any other random files you might have in the background. If you're able to go through and go inside of your Files app and clear out some stuff, that can also be another thing. I'd probably also recommend just going through and just, turning off your phone and powering it back on. Sometimes that can also kind of fix some problems there too. So power off your phone, power back on. Those are kind of the big things for the most part. So give those things a go and hopefully that'll end up fixing it for you. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.